Hello, coming at you with another non-Christmas set for my lovely client who is off to Paris Disneyland. So I've done all my prep work, I have done my clear base and I have done the shaping, and first off coming in on the middle finger with a holographic fine glitter. It's actually for a festival, so it is a cosmetic grade glitter, but it's from a party shop that has loads of glitters for festivals and all that jazz. And then on top of the wet surface of the clear and glitter, I'm just popping in some Mickey Mouse holographic heads. I believe they are from Stella, but it was like an age ago when I bought them. I'm using all different colours, but obviously with it being holographic, they have the colour change as they turn as well. Applying the silver holographic, all I'm doing is picking up a small bead of clear and then dipping into the pot of glitter to pick some up and then moving it around the nail to where I want it. See that had gone too dry there, so I added a tiny bead of clear just to wet the top surface and then start attaching these little Mickey Mouse heads. I used to. I used to. I used to. I used to. And these little heads have dried enough that I can then cap this nail. Make sure that when you are capping glitter that you do cap it all properly, because when you come to your filing you don't want to file away the colour, because then you'll just see silver. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll... Over to the pinky, and I'm using Juniper. I'm flying high. And then over to cap the middle finger. And Juniper on the pointer, and then I'm going to cap them all and do all my finish filing, and then it's straight in with a tacky residue gel top coat, so one that leaves a tacky layer, and I'm just putting it on the purple Juniper nails. I've also done the thumb in Juniper as well, and then into the lamp for a full cure, and then I'm just using an eyeshadow applicator to put on the holo with this one, because I don't want it to be like complete full coverage. I want it to be a sparser coverage so I can see the Juniper through the holographic. So gently popping it onto the pinky and the pointer, then brushing off the excess, sealing with top coat into the lamp, and then a second layer of top coat, and then make sure I've got the holographic nails top coated as well, and then for a full cure, and cuticle oil and a little video for you. So this is how they turned out. I was rather impressed how pretty they were, and so was she. So stay slaying, and I'll see you soon.